Ready to ditch the website building headaches and create a stunning online presence in minutes. We're diving into Lovable AI, the revolutionary platform that uses artificial intelligence to build your dream website, even if you have zero coding experience. First, head over to Lovable AI and start your free trial. No credit card required, so you can test drive the magic before committing. Next, select the category that best fits your business or project. This helps Lovable AI understand your needs and tailor the design suggestions accordingly. Now, the fun begins. Lovable AI will generate a bunch of stunning website templates for you to choose from. Browse through them and select one that catches your eye. Don't worry, you can customize it later. This is where you personalize your site, easily edit text, swap out images, change colors, and adjust the layout with simple drag-and-drop functionality. Lovable AI will even suggest relevant content and images based on your chosen category and descriptions. Need help with content? Lovable AI's content generation tool will create engaging copy for your website, saving you time and effort. Just enter a few details about your business and watch the AI work its magic. Ensure your website looks great on any device with Lovable AI's responsive design. Your site will automatically adjust to fit desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Finally, when you're happy with your design, click the Publish button, and your website is live. Share your new online presence with the world and watch your business grow. So, ditch the coding nightmares and embrace the ease of Lovable AI. Create your stunning website today and unlock your online potential. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech tutorials.